How do you use Asana for family, finance, and daily tasks? Hello guys and welcome to today's new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use Asana for your personal tasks as financial tasks like making budgets, for the daily tasks like the task that you're going to make with your family, for example, or you can go ahead and use it as simple things. So we're going to head over asana.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now we're going to head over the projects. So if you want to create a new project, go ahead and create a new project. And you're going to make it just like that. Now for the finance, personal, and other things, I rather use something simple than using Kanban. So do not use Kanbans. We are going to use something like cross-functional project plans and let's say the calendar, not this, but the engineering project plan also. So we're going to use this one. We're going to try it. So let's see here if we're going to make something out of this. So here we have it. So we have set up the cross-functional project, as you can see, like this is it. Now we are going to find the simple tasks like setting up a task just fine from here. You can go ahead and have to do, done, or doing and done. These are going to be the group of tasks that we can add. So aside from that, for the budgeting, we can go ahead and use the columns. So let's say that we're going to add another section. We're going to name it finance, and we're going to have a tasks right there named like, let's say, groceries. So we are going to add the priority of it. For example, we're not going to make this as something that we need as a priority or something like that, but we can go ahead and use the formulas. So I'm going to use formula, for example, not formula yet. So we are going to add a number. For example, here we are going to have the decimal. So the format is going to be a currency. We're going to make the currency like that. So we're going to have the field name like here, budget. We're going to create it. We can go ahead and create another number, which is going to be a currency also. Say spent or spending. And we're going to have it like this. Now we're going to add a formula, which is going to be, let's see here from the library. I'm not going to use for library. So I'm going to have the budget minus, we're going to subtract the spending on it. So we are going to name it as, let's say, rest, or yes, the rest. And here we go. So I am going to set up the budget of, for example, $500. The spending is going to be $129. Our sum is going to be the this amount right there. So now that is going to be for the finance. For the family or personal uses, you can go ahead and add standard, let's say, tasks. So we are going to have a task like daily. Let's say family check, like that. And you're going to set up the priority as high, for example, status on track, like this. You're not going to add a budget for it, of course, and you can go ahead and add other things for it. And that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.